Hey guys, I done got me a nice shiny new truck. Ain't it pretty? It's got suspension, front and back, steering, really flash headlights, goes like a scolded cat. Man, this thing really moves. And what's cool is it has a real engine sound to it. It actually sounds like a real diesel. Pretty sweet, huh? Oh yeah, while I was getting this, I also got this. A shiny new Toyota Hilux Truck. It also has that same sort of diesel engine sound effect. Ain't she a real pretty one? Extended cab, 4-wheel drive, timber and steel tray. I got me some bull bars. Just in case I got problems with bulls, I can take them to the bar. Ain't that pretty? Brand spanking new. Ain't that just fine and or dandy? I reckon I could tow me a whole string of gasifiers behind this without any trouble. What's cool is it runs on the juice of freshly squeezed diesel berries. So I'm going to get me a diesel berry tree so I can make me my own fuel for this little puppy. Let's take a look-see inside, huh? Yeah, she's all nice and clean inside. Don't know how long that's going to last for, though. I got the canvas seat covers here, so when I'm doing things on the farm that get things dirty, those covers ought to protect it. Also got the original bit of cardboard there that was in this when I drove it off the showroom floor. Got this cool entertainment system here with lots and lots of virtual buttons, twiddly bits, twirly dials that go round and round and clickety clack. Really cool stuff happens when you turn those. This bit here is pretty handy too, very good when you're cornering. And you've got lots of buttons to play with while you're waiting at the lights. Lots and lots of buttons. I haven't pushed them all yet. A few more buttons down here too, in the darkness. Yep, down here, lots and lots of buttons to push. Noisy thing under the bonnet. And a bunch of room for all my trucks on the back here. Didn't get the rope with it though, but oh well, you can't win them all. So then, fellas and fella-esses, figure I'd show you my shiny new truck. My diesel behemoth. As for a while I've been driving around in this cute little car here. That's the front of it. Or was that the back? And here's the other back of it. Or was it the front? That's alright, gets the job done. But this is more my style. Ain't that the truth? It was kind of funny when I brought this home. My camels were trying to get access to the car keys. As were the donkeys, because they were sure that there were carrots on the tray of this little old truck. The only one who didn't want to drive it, probably because she don't got a license, is little Pony over there. That's alright. Of course her girlfriend had other ideas about it, but she's not allowed to drive, she's too young. But they probably will be travelling behind this on a horse float. Okay, my friends and friendesses, figure you might have wanted to see my shiny new trucks. Got two of them after all, little one, big one. Ciao for now, my fellow Woodgas venom victims. Well, Woodgas bug bite venom victims, that is. Ciao.